This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Shut down the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself so you do not damage components. Once done, remove the case side and identify the GPU model and fan arrangement. Make sure to log current idle and load temperatures so you can compare after changes. Next, clear surface dust with compressed air and a soft brush. Do not spin fans too fast. If you see heavy buildup around heatsink fins, prepare to remove the card for deeper cleaning and inspection. With the card out, unscrew the cooler carefully and keep track of screws and shims. Clean the old thermal compound from GPU die and heatsink with 90% plus isopropyl until residue is gone. Let it evaporate. Inspect heat pipes and fins for bends, and spin each fan to check for wobble or noise. Replace bearings or fans when torn. When reapplying paste, use a pea-sized or thin line for large dies. Reseat the cooler evenly so the compound spreads for optimal contact. Reinstall the card and ensure case fans create front-to-back airflow. Altitude and room temperature affect cooling, so position intake unobstructed. Once powered, set a conservative fan curve and consider a modest undervolt to cut heat without losing performance. Test with a stress run and observe temps. If elevated temps persist, examine the PCIe slot contact and power connectors for proper seating and confirm BIOS or driver settings. If hardware faults remain, contact the vendor for warranty or RMA options. That's your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.